and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming.
Hello folks, late night at the church of rehearsal and Brother Watson come up with some group ahead. So, you don't know where I got happen. Hey, a curry group ahead right now. And see all over where I cook it with you. Remember me tell you.
The microphone, the amplifier, the Lagos Latin is now a strictly culture. The conscious music you got hear we utter. So if you were an adult or a teenager. Mario, you don't say that nonsense.
I always do this. This is what I do.
How much time you do this?
45 times. I'm very good at this. I do this. Right? I do this.
I'm near cut out the banana though.
I do this. Alright? So don't think I just do it just not to do it. But I do it. Just to do it.
And here's the chef over here. Brother Watson, what do you have to say about the whole thing?
I know. Right?
Yes, all of that cut it out.
Let me tell you something. Okay? See when I'm doing this? I don't play around. Okay? I do it because I want to do it. And I think I could do it. Whatever. You know what I mean? Okay? This right here. Just grip ahead. Alright?
Me done time. Me have to cut, me have finish do the banana.
Right. Me? You know what? No, we don't stop. I'm going to run first. If you come my way, and I'll back to the front. Wow, man, you I want to man, you
Hey, I film the channel, you know. We're not start behaving, misbehaving.
That one, that man.
See curry over there, sir. But now you come put by the curry, man. Look, a group I have to see if you are. You can't go on.
You can't go.
You can't go on.
You cannot go if
I
you
don't run around my house. I run inside my house.
Yeah, but what I'm saying,
I said,
you can't go in there.
like I said,
if she don't get no group ahead.
I got the key
All right.
in my father's house.
No. What
Hey,
you go in there. We don't group ahead and see what happened to do whatever. What do you mean? You have to pack your clothes and leave the house.
I will come here, yeah.
I cook it up.
Sorry. Man, we need okra. It's missing the okra.
You got the key? Where they have the
God damn it. Make me want to bring okra.
You're missing that one. Okay.
Man, what was I going to like it?
So you like what you
No, because okra.
You're talking about him so much.
No, I'm not talking about it. I want him to bring me okra.
Go get him.
I'm not going anyway.
You miss him so much. Go get him.
First of all, me not miss no man. Y'all find it. Let's put the water back in there.
Wow.
I know somebody put in there, make sure saying yummy.
I make sure say yummy and beat the hell out of him if you don't yummy.
I will tell you.
When the curry powder run up in your nose, we just start licking.
Are you kidding?
I don't be it. If I tell you that I love you, hey.
Would you curry down the fish head out? Love you, love you, love you, curry goat. Love you, love you, love you, curry fish head out. Hey,
Where is the butter?
the butter over there, sir.
Get up! Do something before something there.
Butter and thyme.
That's not butter.
This is
Yes,
butter.
it's butter.
It's not butter.
I like
That's whipped butter.
Me have with no butter.
I can't believe it.
So brother, what's not need the dumpling?
In a fish bowl.
You gotta learn how to survive.
Yes, it's survival. So dumpling being needed in the fish bowl. Hallelujah. Just take your hand and shake up the pot. Yeah, just move it up and down. Yeah, make sure say yeah. No overshake it, you know. Alright, lock it now. There, you know. Well, make sure say everybody get. Please don't watch that dumpling there. That's a mutant dumpling. The dumpling they have dengue. So that was our late night group ahead boat. I may tell you the truth that this is the little box we get for carry home for wifey, and the rest of it was totally demolished. This is Yardie Belly, Taste Buds, Outer Road. Remember if you like, share and subscribe, yeah? May I tell you.